Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we will tell you the most important topics that these topics questions can be asked in NABARD Grade A Phase 2 exam of ESI and ARD paper. So in this video, we will tell you the most important topics. First topic is production estimates of agriculture and allied sector for 2019-20. You may have read the news like first advance estimate of food grains, second advance estimate of food grains and horticulture production, milk, egg, annual production, and fisheries production. So these data is very important, and question on these are always repeated in NABARD grade A exam. So these are the most important topic. Latest data you must cover. Similarly, area covered under agriculture means area covered under agriculture cultivation in India in 2019-20, 18-19. Such type of questions are also asked in previously. And minimum support price NABARD All India Financial Inclusion Survey NAFIS is a very important topic. Question can be asked as it was in news also. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, very important topic, recently launched and under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan scheme was announced. AHIDF, Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, these are the very important topic. These three is very important. All facts, most important facts, you can get it from the scheme document available on the relevant ministry website. If you will go to PIB, then sometimes they miss some important content which can be asked in the exam. So go through the official document, and for our subscriber, they don't need to go through the official document. We have covered all the important data in our documents, our study material. Next is Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is a very important document for this exam, but most important content from the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is agri and life sector related announcement, MSME related, food processing sector related, animal husbandry. All these topics are very important. Schemes of agriculture, animal husbandry, and fisheries very important. You have to cover all the schemes. Specifically, flex schemes are important, and the schemes which were in news are most important. Next topic is India State of Forest Report. It's an important topic. State Startup Ranking 2019 on Sport to Startup Ecosystem recently launched. Very important topic. It is a pattern of IBPS. Actually, IBPS conduct this exam, so it's pattern in IBPS exam in RBI, in NABARD. If we see the previous history, they used to ask the latest report-based questions and latest current affair based. So maximum 3 to 4 months current affair will be having focus in questions. So you must prepare last 4 months current affair. Next is EASE 2.0 index, recently launched. BREP, Business Reform Action Plan for the year 2019. This is the ease of doing business for the states. It's very important topic. Budget and Economic Survey. This year, for this year, NABARD Grade A Phase 2, this Budget and Economic Survey is not much important as Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan was announced. So most of the question will be focused on from the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, and budget and economic survey this year is less important, but data related to agriculture sector and budget and economic survey is important. You can give the less priority to budget and economic survey, but question can be asked. National sample surveys 75th round of survey on household consumption related to health and education, uh, and released by NSO recently. So it's an important topic. Scheme related to health, education, rural development, and poverty alleviation, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, MSME, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Skill Development, Labor and Employment, schemes of these ministries are also very important, and specifically the schemes which were in news recently. And the flagship scheme of these ministry, if you talk about health, Ministry of Health, you may be aware that Ayushman Bharat PM Arogya Yojana. It's very important. Education, Samagra Shiksha, and recently that education policy was in news. So question can we can see the question from the education policy in the paper. Rural development, MGNREGA is always in news. So it's an important scheme. And tribal affairs, MSMEs, and Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Skill Development, and Labor and Employment. These ministries are very important, and one more ministry, Ministry of Finance schemes. These are the very important. India's GDP figure related report by IMF, World Bank, ADB, OECD, and National Statistics Office. So these GDP related data is always one or two questions in RBI and NABARD. Pattern is approximately same in the both the exam. GDP figure is always asked. SDG index, sorry, SDG index. SDG India index is that by Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog, all report are important, and the previous history of this IBPS exams like RBI and NABARD, that Niti Aayog report were asked in the previously. So Niti Aayog report are very important. Specifically, this SDG index is latest, and one is Export Preparedness Index, that is very important. And NARSS, National Annual Rural Sanitation Survey, round one was previously when round one was launched. So questions were asked in the NABARD. So this is a very important topic. 2018-19 round second. Export Preparedness Index by Niti Aayog. As I already said that this Niti Aayog report are very important. RBI annual report highlights. Some RBI circular is very important. Some RBI circular is very important that can be asked in the exam. NABARD annual report highlights. Agriculture census and livestock census. NABARD annual report specifically that they have estimated the agriculture contribution in the GDP and the individual contribution in our GVA, like livestock, agriculture, fisheries, their individual contribution. So these type of data is very important, can be asked in the exam. And Swachh Surakshan 2020, very important topic. National Institutional Ranking Framework, very important topic. National Education Policy, last 4 months current affairs. And two more topic we have missed here. So one is PSL, Priority Sector Lending. Recently uh, guide the guidelines were revised, priority sector lending. So it's a very important topic. You can see the question in final exam, as it was in news recently. Scheme guidelines were revised. So remember all the important point of this PSL: Kisan Credit Card, Interest Subvention Scheme. These are the most important. You can see the question, and always question are asked in the RBI, NABARD previously. So interest subvention schemes. These are the most important topic. If anything left out, means most important topic we have mentioned here, you must do at least these topics. And if anything is left out, we will put in comment box. And you can share the video to your friends who are preparing. And these are the past performers, our courses. And you can subscribe the any courses like RBI Grade B, SEBI Grade A, IRD, NABARD, FSSAI, UPSC, PFO. Our material is very specific, concise. We are not having too much material. So, and everything is covered like government scheme, RBI circular, important current affair, budget economic survey, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, education policy. Any important report is there. So we have covered that also in our study material. Thank you and happy learning.